Promotion's Wellness Wednesday tip. My name's Alicia Perry and I'm the Manager of Health Promotion at 19 Wing Comox. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite go-to snack recipes. It's one of my favorites because it's really quick and easy to make. It doesn't take very many ingredients and you can really throw in whatever you have in your pantry, with some exceptions. It starts with a base of peanut butter, oats, and dates, and then you can throw in your favorite seeds and nuts and whatever else you like. So today we are going to make energy bites. They are no-bake energy bites, and again, really quick and simple. So I'll show you how I made these.
After washing my hands thoroughly, I then start with a base of 1 cup of dates, half a cup of peanut butter, and half a cup of oats. And then I throw in some of my favorite pantry items. So I have a 1/4 cup of coconut, 2 tablespoons of pecans, 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of raisins, and 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips. If you don't have some of these items on hand or you're not a fan of some of them, you can add a little bit more of something else that you like. Again, just kind of look through your pantry and see what you're a fan of and throw it in. Using a food processor for this, you could use a Magic Bullet or a Vitamix or anything to really make sure that those dates are mixed well together with the peanut butter and oats. You can even soak your dates for a couple hours before this recipe just to make sure that they're nice and soft and can be blended really well. Once that's all blended, then I'm going to add in the recipe ingredients, so all those seeds and nuts and chocolate chips are going in, and I'll pulse that for a couple of seconds just to make sure it's all mixed together really well. After it's all mixed together, I just check to see if it's the right consistency. So I just grab a little bit and squish it together and see if it's going to hold its shape. If it's a little bit too crumbly, then I'll add some more peanut butter. And if it's a little bit too sticky, then I'll add a few more oats or some seeds in there so it'll stick together and hold its shape. The mixture is a nice consistency, so I'm going to go ahead and form those little energy bites. I'm not really too fussy about the shape of them and if they're perfectly round. I think it adds to their character. I like to make them around this size because they're nice little grab and go snacks. You can make them bigger or smaller, whatever your preference is. This is really a no-fail recipe. There's no baking, there's no risk of burning these. You can make them whatever size you like, whatever shape you like, and throw in whatever ingredients you love or whatever you have on hand. During this pandemic, you may not be able to find some ingredients in your local grocery store, so not to worry, you can add whatever you have in the pantry and add a little bit more of something if you're missing something that you wish you had. I'm getting to the end of the mixture and I'm finding that they're not really holding their shape. It's a little bit too crumbly. So I'm taking about a tablespoon of peanut butter and mixing that in, and that's going to help them stick together a little bit better. So here's the final product. If only dishes could go as fast as the fast forward speed of a video.
Hopefully you love these just as much as I do. Yours may look a little bit different than mine depending on the ingredients you use from your pantry. If you do decide to make them, I like to store them in the fridge for a few days, or you can even put them in an airtight container in the freezer for a couple months if they can last that long in your house. If you do decide to make them, I would love to hear how they turned out. Happy no-bake baking!